Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to figure out who unfollowed you without logging on anywhere or changing any code in Chrome. So the first thing that you have to do is go to More section and then choose your activity. Once you choose, click on Download Your Information and then choose Download or Transfer Information. Choose All Available Information, Download to Device, and then choose All Time and Save, and then Create Files. After that, you're going to wait until Instagram emails you all the information you asked for. You will have an email just like that. So just download your information and then click on Download. Once you enter your password, it is going to download all the files. Once you download, you'll have a Connections folder. Click on it and then click on Followers and Following. Later on, click on Followers. So unfortunately, this gives us an HTML format. To be able to convert it into an Excel format, you have to press Ctrl and A and then copy. Then open a new Excel page and then paste it as text. So this is our followers. And then we're going to have to look for our following as well. So do the same, Ctrl A and copy, go to the Excel file, open a new sheet and Ctrl Alt V and paste it as text. So this is our following. Now you have to clean the data. Just delete the row. Delete this as well. Now all we want from this data is the usernames, and just because it includes the time, we can just put a filter in here and then look for this so that we could just delete all the times in this data. Once you do that, you will have blanks in this data. So choose blank and then delete the rows. What you can do is press on it, Shift, Control and up. So delete these rows and then open the other datas. Now apply the same procedure for followers. Put the filter and then look for this, choose, go to the last cell, select the row and then delete the rows. Once you do that, you will not even have blanks if you delete the rows. So display the other usernames. So this is our followers and this is our followings. Now I use an Instagram tracker template to track down who unfollowed me. Basically, the only thing that you have to do is copy your followers and then paste it into this Instagram follower tag tracker and paste the username as values. The only thing that remains is pasting the followings. So go to the following and then copy it and paste in here as values. You may skip the ID and full name part. Those are for the third-party programs or for your own use. The username is enough to track down who's following you and who are the accounts that you don't follow but still follows you. So when you look at in here, the blue part is the accounts which doesn't follow you but you follow, and the green ones are accounts you don't follow but they follow you. So you can just easily go to their profile by clicking on the Instagram profile column and then see who is not unfollowing you. Like, Ricky, come on mate, I thought we were mates. And then unfollow. Bye Ricky. In this template there is also an additional feature. With the date analysis, you can track somebody's profile to track who she added or who she discarded. Just delete the dummy data and later on, let's say this section was your boyfriend's or girlfriend's followers on a specific date, and later on, let's say 2 months later, you wanted to check her or his followers again. So you copied his new followers and pasted in here. But he or she also discarded some other people as well. So you can compare these two dates, follower data, to see who he or she added and who he or she discarded. You can also check its profile by clicking on the Instagram profile column. I hope this video was informative enough. You can find the Tracker Excel templates link on below description. And thanks for watching.